Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 14T and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and enter more security and privacy. And here we have to localize installation sources. So here we will have the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content on our device. And of course we can change it, just find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it. You have to be aware because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So just tap on allowed if you're ready, and as you can see the Chrome is right now active, which means that it is allowed to install something. Of course you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.